Hey man, what are you doing?
What?
I'm polishing the bike.
I'm trying to work in here.
Yeah, and
So?
you keep making all this noise. All you ever want to do is make
I gotta
YouTube
meet up
videos.
with the bunker riders. I gotta leave right now. Get out of here.
Yo, leave me alone. What's up, everybody? Today we're gonna go ahead and attempt to do a poker run. For that, we gotta get the bike all washed up, make sure it looks nice. Probably gonna rain, but whatever. If you love your bike, you love washing it. All right, guys, what's up? Guess what? We are going on a poker run today. Yeah, and chances of rain, it's raining. So this is what we're doing today. If this is the first time you're coming to my channel, I want to let you guys know I make video content all about motorcycles to encourage you to get out and go ride. Hey, we are back. What up? It is, oh, there's somebody. at the Bunker Riders. So guys, we were just talking with amongst ourselves, the riders group here that are on the poker run to help support Post 1 Veterans organization. But we're talking about doing a rebuild, man. All right, all of us here have the same interest you guys do, and that is motorcycles. That is our passion. It is our way of life. It's two-wheel life, bike life, however you want to, whatever cliche you want to say. But the Bunker Riders have decided to get into the raffle with, we're gonna go out and get ourselves a cheap bike, and we are gonna mod it out, and we are gonna repaint it, and we're gonna put new tires on it, and we're gonna turn a $1,000 bike into a $20,000 bike. And I'm gonna document every single bit of it. That's what we're gonna do, and we're gonna raffle it off for the Forgotten Heroes, which is our veterans. And we have a connection through the VA of Lake Nona, the heroes, and it's gonna go to a good cause. And we're gonna have a great time doing it, because the Bunker Riders have been here for, I mean, I'm thinking like I gotta know, but it's been like 30 years, okay? This is an old school veteran organization that's been around for a long time. And there's been many regimes that came through, but now that I'm a part of it now, now that I'm a part of it now, just one, right? Just 1 month?
Yeah.
Okay. Now that I'm a part of it now, you know, I think it's going to be something that's going to be cool. Like, it really is. So, stay tuned for that. So, I don't know if I explained this, but I'm going to do it now. But we're on our poker run right now. And, you know, the idea of a poker run, it's a charity run to get you out riding. You know, unfortunately today the rain is sucking, but you know what? You can't control Mother Nature, so you got to get out and support your brothers, fellow riders, whatever charity you're at. And I'm doing this in the rain, but a poker run is an event where you ride from place to place, designated places, pick up a card, and you could possibly win some cash, some prizes, some door prizes, and it's all for a charity. And it's got my wheels thinking about how this organization's been here for 30 years, and that I can do something such as do a rebuild mod. A rebuild, I mean, we have a shop back in the bunker, so we're gonna do a rebuild, and we're gonna raffle off a bike, man. And hopefully it goes to a veteran. But if it doesn't, it goes to anybody that wants a freaking one-in-a-kind custom Bunker Rider bike. That's what it's going to be called, the Bunker Rider bike. I mean, how cool is that? Stay tuned for that. Let's get some B-roll, guys. Got Miss Moto Crisis on the back, so let's get some good video of her, man. Hopefully she's back there enjoying herself.
I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way.
All right, guys, we are heading to the Alibi. We are making it to our third stop on the poker run. Let's see what kind of numbers I can pull here. But check this out, man. The Alibi, they got a tent set up. You know, we have a bunch of events, man, and Mother Nature sometimes is just a son of a bitch. I mean, you know, you want to have a good time, you want to get out and ride your bike. This is prime Florida riding month. I just made that up. And you can't because the freaking weather, man. Mother Nature decides it wants to rain. You know? And I'm not all about that. I don't want it to rain. That would be awesome. So you wish. All the time, isn't it?
I'll be here 24/7. Well, you're 2 and 3. Everybody wrong?
What's up, UVs? We're taking off from the Alibi to get Mrs. Moto Crisis on the back of the bike. Get your ass on, girl. Get your ass on. But here we go, man. It's time to get on the road. Next stop, the Ambits. Ambits, here we come.
You don't remember back when we used to play poker all the time?
Remember? Yeah, she was just a 10 and a 7 of hearts. I needed a 6.
Well, you got a 6, 7, and a 10.
I know. Alright, people. We're back on the road. So we just left the Ambets. I'm not sure what I pulled, but oh yeah, it was a 7. But I've got 2 6s, a 7, and a 10. So maybe I can get a 3 of a kind. I don't know, maybe I can get close to winning something. Who knows? You never know. Look at how beautiful it is right now, man. The sky is clear. We're on US 1. But yeah, man, I hope you guys enjoyed this, coming with me today on this adventure, doing the poker run. I mean, if anything, it was a good time. It was fun. We got to, we got to eat food, visit with some people, and raise some money for a good cause, and do the biker thing. And so if you're ever wondering what a poker run is like, then this is it. This is what it is. That's why you keep subscribing, shares, do all the thingies. But until next time, guys, Midlife Moto Crisis is out. Alright? And remember, don't forget to get out there and ride. Yo, right here behind me is going to be the motorcycle shop. Working on it, doing a little work to the ground here. We got 2 bays, a building over here, a lift, and everything we're going to need to do the rebuild and modifications to the bike that we're going to raffle off. Stay tuned, guys. It's coming.